Delightful corn aloo tikki using minimal oil with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select corn aloo tikki from Scan to Cook recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app and press start. The preheat process begins. In the meantime, in a bowl take all the ingredients and mix well. Make a mixture for aloo tikki. Now divide the dough in equal parts and make round and flat tikkis. Put tikkis on Multicook Tawa and grease the tikkis with a little oil. When the microwave oven beeps, keep the tawa on the high rack inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, turn the tikkis. Keep the tawa inside the microwave oven and press start. Relish your delightful corn aloo tikki made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven without any guilt or worry. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook microwave oven.